I think Walmart's like popping off with their stuff right now. Oh, I needed that. Love it. Got the goods. Why can't I dress myself? I have 30 minutes to leave the house. Is this cute?
No.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. I look like a grandma. Like I should just have like my tea. Today is Tyler's birthday. We are about to go work out and then we have dinner plans tonight and I don't really know what else he wants to do. I'm gonna go change into some workout clothes because can't go to the gym in this grandma fit, even though I do love my robe. Okay, ignore my messy room. I know I need to clean it. I'm just lazy right now. So we're gonna ignore it. Anyway, I just changed into leggings and my socks. Look at this sweatshirt I got. So it has like the hoodie pocket, but it doesn't have a hood. It's literally so soft and so comfy, and it's from Walmart. It was $9 at Walmart. It's a men's medium, I think, and it's been my favorite like piece of loungewear ever. I also got some joggers from there, which are my favorite pair of joggers, and they were $7. So I think Walmart's like popping off with their stuff right now. They had a lot of cute stuff, honestly. It's cold outside, so I wanted to be warm at the gym. So here we are. I'm gonna make pre-workout, but I have lost all of my blender bottles. We're just gonna put it in here and mix it up, I guess, with my handy dandy frother. This was the best thing I ever bought off Amazon, honestly. I think Tyson wants to say hi. Say hello. Do you wanna say hello, Marmar? Breezeberry Alani knew. I don't know why, it's just like harder for me to wake up today. I feel like it's because it's so gloomy outside. So hopefully this will wake me up, get me ready to work out. I also tried the Alani Nu Fit Snacks and let me tell you, oh, they're so good. Like literally so good. I need to go back to the vitamin shop and get some more. Guys, I want you to look at Zoe right now. She looks so comfy. We just got back from working out. I showered. I need to dye my hair again because it has faded so much. I just have been lazy. Normally after my workout, I try to make something healthy for lunch, but I'm really craving waffles right now. Like nothing else really sounds good. I'm really thirsty, so maybe I just need to drink some water really quick. I have a really exciting Amazon package coming in the mail later that I'm excited to show you guys. Hopefully it gets here soon. Oh, I needed that. I like haven't had much of an appetite for the past like 3 days probably. I don't really know what's going on, but like nothing like usually I can come home and be like, okay, this sounds so good, I'm gonna make this, but nothing sounds good lately. I don't really know what's going on. So I got these things from Trader Joe's a while ago, honestly. Like, are they still good? I can't find an expiration date on them. So they are chili lime chicken burgers. So what if I did this with like some sriracha mayo and guac? That sounds pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try to make one of these in the air fryer, I guess. I hope these are, I mean, they've been frozen, so I feel like they're good, right? Dude, it's a solid block. I can't, they're frozen together. Damn, they're not very thick. They're really tiny, actually. Got the buns. I'm gonna make some guac here in a second. And then I've got this sriracha mayo that I forgot I had, honestly. That's gonna be the burger. Yeah. Adobo seasoning. Lemon pepper. Let's add I'm putting a lot of guac on mine because I love it. How cute. All right, taste test time. It honestly looks delicious. Let's try it. That's really good. That's so good. My burger was delicious, literally so good. I watched some YouTube and then while I was eating, the Amazon packages came. Ugh. Got the goods. Okay, one is my mom's and one is mine. I don't know which box it will be in. So we're gonna open both. Sorry for opening your package, Mom. My mom actually ordered it for me, so thanks, Mom. I know you watch these. Look, you can't even see what it is yet. It is a gallon water bottle. I do not drink enough water if I do not have a water bottle right next to me. And a lot of the times I will either forget my water bottle in the car or I'll finish the water and then I will be too lazy to get up and refill it. So this will literally last me all day. If I can finish this in a day, then I am a happy camper. So that's my exciting Amazon haul. Okay, it is a few hours later. It's 6:45. I need to get ready. I have drank this much of my water, which I'm pretty proud of, honestly. Peed about 5 times and I have to go get ready in a hurry. So let's hope I don't have to pee anymore. So I saw this thing on TikTok where this girl was getting her hair done and after they would let go of the curl, they would like hold it so it wouldn't be as wavy. And I tried it and I still wish it was like less wavy, but I feel like I still have to do my makeup and stuff so it'll fall a little bit. I want to get better at doing hair, or my hair at least. Okay, so this is the hair right now. I just finished it. I don't love it, but I also feel like my hair never looks good until I do my makeup. So I'm gonna chug this. I'm about to go pee again and then I'll come do my makeup. I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna wear. The shirt that I wanted to wear did not look good at all. It just it did not look good on me. We're gonna figure that out, but I changed into this so that at least if I need to take my makeup down my neck, it's not going to get on any of my clothes. Why can't I dress myself? Like, why can't I have a sense of style like other girls? Please help me. I don't really know. Anyway, I'm going to do my makeup really quickly. I have 30 minutes to leave the house. Honestly, less than that because we're supposed to go to dinner at 8. And it's 7:26. Okay. So I'm going to moisturize because my skin is dry. Literally so dry. I don't know why. No, I know why. Because I haven't been moisturizing. And it's the middle of winter. I don't know why. Like, bitch, you know why? It's because of you. I'm also just like not that great at hair, not that great of makeup, and not that great at styling myself. So like, who am I? Actually, I can make a really cute outfit in the winter. I hate being cold, so I literally rather would wear warm clothes than cute clothes. I live in sweatpants and hoodies all winter, and so I don't buy cute winter clothes. So then it comes times like this where I have nothing to wear. But like, if I could just get really fucking good at makeup and hair, I could wear a basic ass outfit and still look cute, you know? Like, I need to master at least one of them. This is literally the best drugstore foundation ever. It's really great with my sensitive skin and it's also really good coverage for a BB cream. I'm almost out. It's also not my shade. It's slightly too dark for me, but do I care? No. Like, this matches me when I have a tan, which I don't. I'm running late. I think I want to try to do like brown eyeshadow as like a smudged out eyeliner. Should I try that? If it looks bad, I'm not gonna have time to redo it, so it'll just look bad. Also, this is the best concealer. It's so cheap and I love it so much. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I ran out of my Shape Tape and I didn't feel like spending the money on it again, and so I got this. I don't even know why I picked this out. Like, I don't remember seeing it on any like TikToks or like, I don't think anybody recommended it, but I just grabbed it and it's so great. I literally love it. I've also been loving cream products lately. I feel like they're quicker and you can make them look more natural. And I feel like it makes my skin look more natural when I have on cream, like cream bronzer, cream contour, cream blush. I want to get a good like liquid highlighter because it's really the only powder I put on my face besides like eyeshadow. So if you have good recommendations for liquid highlighter, leave them in the comments. See, like, I already think my hair looks better because I have a little bit of makeup on now. My camera's gonna die. Are you kidding me? Are you busy right now?
A little bit. Why?
When you're not busy, would you be able to bring me my camera battery that's plugged in by my computer?
Yes.
It should be fully charged. I didn't realize this one was low.
Got it. Coming.
Thank you. You're the best.
You're welcome. Love you, baby.
Love you. All right, batteries are switched. Shout out Tyler. Best YouTube boyfriend. I've also been doing my brows with eyeshadow, and the main reason why I've been doing that is because I ran out of a brow product a long time ago, and this is what I was doing in the meantime, and I honestly just like it better because I feel like I get a more exact shade to what my eyebrows are, and it's way cheaper. I use this Morphe palette. It is 25B, and I feel like powder products you can blend out so they look more natural. Hey Siri. What time is it?
It's 7:36 p.m.
Oh, we're killing it. As long as I can find a good outfit, we're doing great. And then I'll just set the powder with an eyebrow gel, which I'm also almost out of. I need to go to Ulta. I'm like almost out of so many things, and I want to try a bunch of new stuff. Like those NYX, there's like a new NYX lip product that's all over TikTok, and I want to try it so bad. Now we'll go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm using the Naked Reloaded. Tyler's mom got this for me for Christmas, and it's really pretty, so I want to use it. So I think I'm just gonna go in with like, I'm gonna mix these two and put it all over, I think. And just make it like an all over lid shadow. I don't do a lot of eyeshadow. I'm not great at it. I don't do eyeliner, not great at it. I would love to get good at putting on lashes. They drive me crazy. I don't know why. Just add a little bit of dimension. I guess that works. Yeah, I don't know. And then let's do, I'm gonna do this dark color along my lashes. This shit's pigmented. Blend it out a little bit. I don't know. I feel like this could ruin everything because I kind of like it right now. Is this cute? I don't know. Hope so. I'm just gonna take the same brush I just blended both those with and run it under my lower lash line, I guess. It's really just a guess here. Lashes, which I just curl and put mascara on because I don't know how to do anything else, and I don't know, I have some pairs of lashes, I just don't know where they are. Does anyone oh my god, does anyone else's lashes like not hold a curl at all? Like literally at all? Please tell me how to fix that. Like if my lashes could keep a curl, I don't think I would need to wear falsies. They just don't hold a curl at all. Blush, this Morphe 2 cream blush in Wish is great. I love it. I just put on this part of my beauty blender, pat it on, and I feel like the blush brings so much life back in your face. I'll put a little bit on my nose, and then I'll take the foundation side and just put it over it so it mutes it a little bit so it's not crazy. And then highlight. I'm really speeding along. This Pretty Vulgar highlight in Shimmering Swan is great, and I love going right above my eyebrows. And then lips, I'm just using this random lip liner, Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics in Pale Pink because I don't have anything else. Ooh, and before I put that on, I'm doing the Buxom Big O Power Plump Lip Balm. I saw Bertman Rock use it, and it's great. The only thing I hate is that it turns my lips like the brightest pink color. I don't like that. But if I cover it with lip products, it doesn't really matter. I've heard the Morphe lip liners are really good, and I need to go get more lip liners because I don't have... I used to have a really good one. I don't know where it went. I took it on a trip or something and never found it again. After that, I'm going to put on this Too Faced lipstick in Strip Search. Why can't I speak today? I'm really just gonna dab it on like this. Do a little bit of gloss. This is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream. Is that what it says? In the shade Pink Champagne. This is honestly just a random ass lip combination of stuff that I have because I've lost so much of my stuff. I don't know where it went. I go through phases where I'm really into makeup and then phases that I'm really not into makeup. And when I'm really not into makeup, I end up throwing a bunch of my shit away or like giving it away. And then I regret it because then I go to do my makeup when I'm really into it and I don't have any. My hair has fallen more, so I actually really like it. I'm gonna hairspray it. I just got hairspray in my eye. Hopefully we can figure it out an outfit. So I really want to wear this pea coat. I bought this at H&M for $28, but I haven't found the right way to wear it yet, and that makes me really sad. Honestly though, I feel like I could wear like this with leather leggings. Let me show you. Like this with leather leggings and then some booties, and I feel that could be really cute. Should we do that? I feel like it just looks so big on me even though it's my size. I don't really know. Like leather leggings or jeans and this. I kind of like it, I think. Okay, let me put on the actual outfit. I think my boots are in the car. Do I like this though? Like, should I button it? Let's see, let's do one button. Or wait, how does this, which way does it go? And then if I have boots on, I think I'm gonna do this. I bought the coat for a reason. I might as well wear it, right? Like, is it, guys, I don't know. I feel like I'm also like Sherlock Holmes. I can't wear this. It's all I'm gonna think about the whole time I'm in it, is that I look like Sherlock Holmes. And like, I feel like I can't wear it open because I'll be like, why is this stupid bitch wearing a crop top in the middle of winter? You know? Okay, what about this? I feel like that picture of The Rock wearing a turtleneck and a chain, but I also kind of like it. And then maybe I can wear the coat. Okay, yes, this is it. This is the outfit. And then I just gotta put my boots on. I am so out of breath from running to my car to get my shoes, but I did it and we're leaving on time. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 8:01 p.m.
I mean, kinda. We're supposed to be at dinner date, but it's down the street. Who cares?